This is a simple tools to unlock N95 without soldering. This is the hammer clip, which we have to do some modifications. A lock N95, 9V battery, and a T6. Start. Just want to try out how fast I can do it. Okay, put back the battery just in case it doesn't drop out. Okay, power on the phone. Connect the clip with the 9V battery. Connect the ground to the phone grounding. Okay, I am ready to unlock. H P W plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1. Okay, now connect test point. Test point connected. Press the button on the clip, and H SIM card was not registered. My job is done. Happy day.